Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the Punkt
MC02, a 5G secure phone that's making waves for its unique approach to privacy and security.
The Punkt MC02 stands out in a crowded smartphone market by prioritizing security and privacy over flashy features.
It runs on the OS, designed to keep your data safe from third-party harvesting.
Let's start with the design.
The MC02 sports a minimalist black slab design, emphasizing simplicity and functionality.
It feels sturdy with impact-resistant materials, though it lacks the bells and whistles of more mainstream designs. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 900 processor and Mali G68 GPU. With 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, it's decent but falls short compared to similarly priced competitors. The 6.67-inch IPS display is sharp but limited to 60 Hz refresh rate, which might disappoint those accustomed to smoother animations. Moving on to cameras, the MC02 features a 64 megapixels main sensor, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 2 megapixels macro lens. While capable of 4K video recording, image quality is average, suitable for casual use but not exceptional. In terms of performance, benchmarks place it alongside budget-friendly smartphones using the same chipset.
The OS adds layers of security but may slightly impact overall speed and responsiveness. Security is where the MC02 shines. It comes preloaded with secure applications for calendar, contacts, and email, all routed through VPN pathways to a Swiss data center. This setup aims to protect your data from the prying eyes of tech giants.
Using the MC02 is a mixed bag.
While the minimalist interface and focus on security are commendable, integrating with other digital ecosystems is challenging. The absence of Google services means limited app choices, and reliance on the Google Play Store for third-party apps can feel contradictory. Battery life is adequate with a 5,500 mAh capacity supporting wireless and fast charging. It easily lasts a full day with moderate use, though heavy users may find themselves reaching for the charger sooner. The subscription model after the first year may deter budget-conscious buyers, considering the hardware limitations. So, should you buy the Punkt MC02?
If privacy and security are your top priorities,
and you're willing to make some sacrifices in terms of app availability and modern conveniences, it could be worth considering. However, for most users, the high price and restricted ecosystem might be hard to justify. That wraps up our review of the Punkt MC02 5G secure phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.